Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with the Rite app not loading or encountering login errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to get the app working properly again. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to the Apps or Applications section. Find the Rite app in your list and tap on it. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If the app still won't load, also tap Clear Data to reset it completely. Step 3. Return to your home screen and force close the Rite app by swiping it away from your recent apps. Make sure it's not running in the background. Step 4. Check that your device has a stable internet connection by testing other apps or websites. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if connectivity is the problem. Step 5. Go to your App Store and search for the Rite app. Check if there's an update available and install it to get the latest version with bug fixes. Step 6. If login errors persist, verify your username and password by trying to log in on riteaid.com. You may need to reset your password if you've forgotten it. Step 7. As a final solution, uninstall the Rite app completely from your device. Then reinstall it fresh from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, log in with your correct credentials, and verify that the app loads properly and all features are accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.